big brother fans. This is Famaca TV, baby, and I'm back with another banger. Yeah, baby. You know how we do over here. If this is your first time here, go on and hit that like button and that subscribe button. Turn it from red to gray. You feel me? So yeah, don't forget, always my ride or die, always in it, up in this mother. Hey, and they always coming up in here hitting that like button off top. So yeah, I'm here today to react to
Zingbot. Yeah, baby.
So yeah, Zingbot, y'all know him. The super fans and the big brother fans know about Zingbot. So yeah, I want to react to all this stuff he is saying, baby. Yeah, baby. So let's go on and get into this thing. Real quick like. Real quick like.
There he is!
Hello.
Wait. Hold up. What Zingbot got on? What does Zingbot got on, y'all? Zingbot, come on now. Zingbot has a toupee and a cowboy jacket, an Indian jacket. What is that, Zingbot? Let's see.
Oh, it's the Tiger
What
King!
are you wearing?
Oh, Tiger Zing!
Tiger Zing. Okay.
You know,
just
I've been
like
waiting
no
3
tiger.
seasons to meet Zingbot, and now that I meet him, that's not who I was expecting to see. Who are
Hold up,
you?
y'all. I know. My girl Devon. I'm praying she does not get voted off tonight. I just had to say that. Let's go back.
You. He don't look like just the average Joe. He looks a little exotic.
There may not be no tigers in there.
Oh
We're
man.
all so scared.
I can't believe I'm here on Big Brother All-Stars. And frankly, I really can't believe you're here either. David!
Zing! That was a good one, Zingbot. David, yeah, straight up rookie. How did you get up in there, man? How did you do it, dude? How? But hey, I'm excited that you're there. You feel me? Know what the really dealio is. Let's get back to this clip.
Oh, that one hurt. Oh.
Glad me and Zingbot are on the same page. And he nailed it on the head. He's a rookie. It was so good. So good.
Oh my God. And so, what's more pathetic than a man in his 40s still calling himself the Meow Meow?
Yo, man, yo. That's my boy Enzo, though. Meow, 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 meow. I don't know how he say it, but he says it, dude. Brooklyn in the house, Jersey. I forget where he from, but man, I love his accent. He's cool with me. He's cool with me. Let's get back to the clip.
Everyone just call me by my full government name, yo. It's Vincenzo. Call me Vincenzo now. That's it. Don't call me Meow Meow no more, yo. I don't like that. I don't like that name anymore, yo.
Memphis! Most people think of you as dance number 1. But to me, you're more of a giant number 2.
Wow. All right. Touche.
Man, Memphis
Right.
is a
He
piece
always
of...
think he's in charge.
He is a big number 2.
Nobody can go to my HOH room. Can't use my shower.
That was good. That was good.
Cody! You
That was a good one. That was a good one. Because he's going around trying to tell everybody what to do like he's the supervisor, like he's in charge. But he doesn't know. Sooner or later, you got to go. Because they ain't going for it. Come on, light, bright, daylight. Sorry for this lighting, y'all. It's chilling chicken. Look at me rubbing. I'm trying to rub my eye, my eye. My glasses. Let's get back to the clip.
are a perfect 10.
Thank you.
Cody.
But enough about your IQ.
What's a high IQ score?
Cody's vocabulary isn't very strong. One time I told him I was pescatarian.
Wait. Did he? For real, man? Yeah, dude. That was, yeah. You don't know that the IQ, the highest 10 is like nothing. Nothing, Cody. You know nothing. That's basically what he's trying to say.
And he thought that was a religion.
I am the idiot of the season. Damn it.
Danny! From your first season on Big Brother, you looked like an old pro. Now you just look old.
Man, Zing is.
I don't want to make eye contact.
Zing ain't playing, y'all. He coming for them straight up. Done said Danny is just plain old. Then she must be older than Enzo or something. Let's get back to the clip, man. This is crazy. This is right here, Nick. Let's see.
Contact with him.
Christmas!
Uh-oh.
What's the difference between you and the holiday season?
Oh, God.
One is cold, stress-inducing, and annoying, and one is the holiday season.
We have to live with Christmas after this, Zingbot. Shut up! Christmas literally has like a pistol tattooed on her hip, man. You do not want to make her mad.
Oh, okay. You guys are all going to pay for that comment.
Her ass name need to be Halloween. Run.
Kevin! I came up with a nickname.
Dave said, Mama Dave said, her ass needs to be named Halloween. I hear you, Dave. And I don't understand why she doesn't understand why you made her a have-not. Common sense. Use it. Christmas? Let's check it out.
Nickname that captures you
Kevin.
perfectly and has a great ring to it.
Oh.
Boring.
Fine, I'll take that.
Tyler. What?
Wait, they say he boring. Oh, my boy Kevin. He ain't boring, dude. I ain't lay up off him. Y'all ain't right.
What do you call someone who says the real winner gets the girl, not the $500,000? A liar! Davon!
Right.
You've done 3 seasons of
Oh,
Big
my
Brother
God.
and 2 seasons of The Challenge. So I'm dying to know, which reality show do you plan to lose next?
challenge, okay?
Oh man, they sucker punched her. They sucker punched Davon. That's cold. Cold. Bloody. That was cold. That was cold. Mama girl, Dave. Mama Dave. Mama Dave.
Oh.
Thank you. Get him straight.
She's hiding.
Nicole, you can't hide from this.
Let's go.
I wrote a song for you. Here comes the bride. She loves to whine and cry. Every time I hear her voice, I want to Mazel tov,
Wait, they had to bleep out what Zing said that time. He don't usually do that. Nicole, but yeah, you whine. You are too much, Nicole. Sorry.
That was worse than I could ever imagine.
Too far.
That was so
Too
mean.
far.
Is this like what you want? A monotone, super weird
That was me,
voice?
but,
Sure, I
hey.
can start talking like this. I do not sound whiny. That sounded whiny.
Oh man. Yo, Big Brother fans, if you want more reactions like this, comment below and also hit that like button and that subscribe button. This is Famaca TV, and I just came by to do another reaction. So yeah, baby, more videos coming up right after this one. So be sure to keep those post notifications on because I got more for you. You feel me? This is Famaca TV, and I'm signing off. Oh. Hey. Tell me also, y'all, what other clips you want me to do and what other reactions you want me to do. Let me know down in the comments, or you can DM me on Instagram at Famaca TV. Yes, now for real, I was out of here.